Hey guys, got a an item for review here. This is a 48.1 kitchen island with solid wood top and locking wheels. It's from wayfair.ca. I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking for one. It goes retails for $5.69. It was 25% off at $4.19. So they have it in white or black. I'll get the mouse here. Yeah, the white's not very nice. Black's way better. Anyway, it made it in one piece, so we're gonna unbox it, see how it's packed, make sure there's no damage, and I'll skip the part where I put it together. Well, basically, I'll show you what it looks like after it's assembled, and I'll go over it. Looks like Wayfair did a better job of getting it here than I got a box this size on Amazon years ago, and it was destroyed. The only thing wrong with it is that corner there. Hopefully nothing's missing. It looks alright. It just looks like one of the arms for the side sticking out. No damage to the wood. Alright, let's get into this thing and have a look. Good, no damage. There's the manual. Not much to it. There's the side that took the damage, and it looks like it's alright. Box doesn't look damaged. And that's the part that was sticking out of the box. Yeah. We'll take a look at it. Everything in its entirety. All the boards, the top piece. It's got the cheap backing, which most of them have. Put that on with nails. With your doors. Door ends, and your hardware, your wheels. Ooh, don't roll very good. Very tight. This one's good. That one is not. Oh wait, that might have a, yeah, it has a lock on it. So that lock probably works. Yep, cool. Hinges. You're gonna have to literally put hinges on. Those are door magnets. These doodads you get with all the press board stuff. Lock rings, the screws. First thing you gotta do is do the rails for the doors. There it is. There are a few issues that I wanted to go over. One is the door hinges aren't adjustable. Basically, you're relying on the pile of holes that they put in the wood. This one lines up pretty good. There's a nice gap that's even all the way down, and the door magnets sort of work. This one over here, not so much. It's different gappage. It's rubbing on the bottom a little bit. Like I said, you can't adjust these, so not much you can really do about it. This track on the inside here didn't have pilot holes, so I'm basically eyeballing it to put the drawer in. I'm on my second hole because the first hole was too high up and it was hitting against this, so that's a bit of a pain. There should have been pilot holes there. Hopefully I can get that lined up properly. I'd rather have it too low than too high. At least it won't hit the top. We'll figure that out. This one actually works, and not much room for error there. What else did I find? Oh, these pieces coming across here, they didn't go into great detail in the instructions about the magnets that go here. Actually, it's an afterthought. They say put these in first, and then about halfway through the manual it says you got to put these in. But then you find out that you put this down here because this one here is the same. So you got to take it apart and move it again, and it's basically these little pilot holes that are right at the edge. You'll see them when you take it out of the box. Those are the ones that go towards the front, and this way you can avoid taking it apart again. But it doesn't show it in the instructions, but the pilot holes. So that's kind of irritating. And yeah, see what I mean? Like for what you pay, these hinges should be adjustable, so you can pull them in. Yeah, it's rubbing on the bottom. That's not good. But other than that, the top is nice. It's nice and flat. It is actually real wood. It's as well as the side pieces. No damage to the box when it was shipped. There's the back. It's pretty big and heavy. Keep that in mind. Like, this thing is really heavy. Weighs as much as a dresser. But hopefully I can get that track worked out. I know it's going to be a pain to get that adjusted properly. It's going to be Swiss cheese by the time I'm done with it. But it's getting there. Yeah, I think I lucked out with that. It's eyeballing it did it. It's literally a hair thin right up here. It's lower. It's up higher here and lower here. But that'll do. I don't want to put another hole in it and turn it into Swiss cheese. It closes. It's good enough. So there you go. A few little defects. Nothing major. Take it easy.